Hey, are consultations good or bad now that every other agent is out there offering a consultation to prospects or buyers or sellers? Hi, my name is Yasir Khan and I'm the author of Property Agent Secrets book, which is the most powerful book in the real estate industry. And I took 10 long years to write my the results of my test that I took over 10 long years, and the results of my agents I compiled into one easy to read book. So in today's episode, I'm gonna be talking about consultation. It seems that every other agent out there is offering some sort of consultation, which is no obligation, and agent can get to see a prospect, and prospect can actually ask them questions in person. And in the coronavirus right now, all these consultation sessions have gone online in the form of phone calls, right? So now that every other agent is offering consultation, should you do the same thing? Is that a good thing to do, or is that a bad strategy? So I saw, okay, I work with every day. I work with a lot of agents, right? And I hear a lot of questions from them, and I also I'm able to listen in to what the prospects are actually saying. And some of the prospects are telling these agents who already are running some kind of offer about consultation, free consultation, no obligation, come and meet me over, come and chat over a cup of coffee and all that. So prospects already know these are sales tactics, and some of the prospects are upfront telling all these agents to stop running consultation. And I even heard from one of them that, I'm sorry, I'm not interested in a free consultation, and I prefer to not meet an agent at this point of time, and I just want to go through whatever you have to sell in a relaxed manner. So that should tell you two main things, and the biggest thing that should tell you is what, right? Now consultations are being seen by prospects as a sales pitch, and prospects are going to be running away from any sort of sales pitch. All right, it's just like you put yourself in the prospect shoes, right? So when you are going out there, you're walking out there, you are on your way to home, right? And suddenly someone stops you. Hey, do you have 5 minutes for a free consultation? I sit down with you and discuss your needs. What did you do? Obviously, right, if you're like me, right, I would definitely resist a sales message, right? So people, everyone, nobody likes sales message. Everyone is so-called resistant to sales message. So right now consultation have sort of become like a sales pitch, like a it's so common. Every other agent is doing it, and prospects, because they are exposed to what all these agents are offering, they know that this is a sales pitch. So should you be doing that? All right, so let me tell you something. If you copy what every other agent is doing out there, your results will be at best mediocre, right? At worst, you will be burning your money on ads. Simple as that. All right. So why is that, right? Okay, very simple. When every other prospect out there is running away from sales message, right? That should tell you something. Not to offer a sales message just like everybody else. So you got to understand what prospects want and give it to them. Prospects do not want consultation, then don't give consultation to them. All right. So this is a very, very important point that I always keep emphasizing with my agents who are in the coaching program, or those agents who read my books, right? They ask me, hey, I say, how should I offer a consultation and all that? How should I book free appointment with prospects? Prospects do not want to speak to an agent. You must understand that. Why? Because they know that we are salesmen. We are trying to sell them houses. We're trying to get them to buy something. And even though what you don't understand is that there are different type of prospects. So you need to really understand which kind of prospect that you want to work with. And honestly, those who really want to listen to you and sit down for a free consultation are maybe 1% of the entire buyer population. There's a tiny number of prospects willing to sit down with you, willing to talk to you, they may be buying in the next 3 to 6 months, and that's a tiny proportion. And the sad thing, the bad thing is that all the agents out there are after this kind of prospect, and this kind of prospect is running away from all the salesmen because they don't like sales message. They don't want, people hate to be sold to. Remember, you love to buy, right? Even I love to buy. People love to buy, but they hate being sold, and that's a very important mindset thing, very important principle that you must understand to do a better job in terms of your marketing, in terms of attracting prospect to your listing, in terms of getting more appointment. So you have to understand, right? You have to understand where is the prospect in the journey, right? So in the journey of buying a home, right? If the prospect is ready, if the prospect has money, if the prospect is motivated, then that is a good time for them to make a move, right? Then only then is a best that offer of consultation suits them, it suits their needs, it suits their, it's in their interest to sit down with you. But if the prospect is not ready yet, right, then it doesn't make any sense to offer them, a consultation, to offer them a meeting, to offer them an appointment. It doesn't make any sense at all, and they are going to resist you, right? So you have to craft a message which aligns with what they want, right? So for example, put yourself in the prospect shoes. If you're just beginning to think about buying a house, about selling a house, what are you going to do? You're going to find out all the information, right? So you're going to understand, should I buy a house now? It's not the right time to buy a house. Should I be setting aside how much per month, right? So these are the questions that people become aware when the first time they are beginning to think about moving. These are the questions they're having in their mind, right? And how to capture these people even before they go on online property portals and start searching for houses, even before these people start approaching other realtors. How do you capture them? You basically offer them information. Simple, nothing complicated, just offer them information. You need to become a farmer instead of a hunter, right? So only hunters are the ones who are giving out a consultation, who are offering buyers a consultation, sellers a consultation, because they want to close a deal right now, right? And because they mentally project their need, that I want a sales commission. It turns prospects off, it turns them off. Everybody turns off. Seriously, everybody is turned off by sales messages. Nobody wants to be sold, but everybody loves to buy. Remember that. So this is a key important point that you must live by this point. All right. So once you know that what the prospects want, then your job is very easy, right? So like I said, just a simple recap. Like I said in this video, there are different type of prospects, and every prospect has different need. So you need to craft a message which is in line with the need of that particular prospect buying journey. Simple as that. Don't complicate it. Don't overdo it. Don't just keep a one-track mind. Consultation. No, stop doing it. Be flexible. Be adaptable. Adapt to their needs. Give them what they want. Simple as that. And they'll be happy. They'll be engaging in your services. But maybe not right now. That is where you need to nurture them. You need a follow-up system in place. You need to be able to capture them the minute they're ready to buy or sell their house, right? And that is what I teach in my book, and I recommend you just get my book, Property Agent Secrets, at propertyagentsecrets.com. And in this book I actually share about effective follow-up strategy, how to follow up with these kind of prospects who are not ready to buy right now, how to do it cheaply, how to do it automatically, so that you don't waste your time, you don't waste your money chasing after prospects who are not ready, and it's not going to be, they're not going to be closing in the next 6 to 12 months. So you need to close right now, right? So I detail all the correct strategies that you need to do, and what kind of strategies that you need to automate, what are the strategies that you need to do it yourself right now. I talk about it in detail in my book. Get it from propertyagentsecrets.com. yasirkhan.com. Alright, so that's all for today. I hope you really enjoy my videos, and I'm gonna be putting up more content just like this in the next coming days. And just subscribe to my YouTube channel, just subscribe to my podcast, just subscribe to my blog at yasirkhan.sg, and I'll be putting up more videos just like this. Bye bye.